Hey Kickstarters, my name is Mike and I'm the project leader for Lightpack. Lightpack is an open source device that's used to illuminate the wall behind your monitor or TV with the same colors that are currently being displayed on your screen. This creates the impression of a deeper immersion into the scene. It also visually enlarges your TV display and significantly decreases the negative effects that film viewing or prolonged focused work in a dark room may have on your eyes. The device itself is a relatively small box. Here you can see it without the cover, and 10 LED modules which are attached to your TV or computer screen. Then you plug in the power supply and connect Lightpack to your PC, Mac, or home theater PC using a micro USB cable. Once you've done that, our cross-platform open source software, Prismatic, will do the rest for you. Lightpack is easy to install and use. Once you've installed and set up the device, you can forget about it. Thanks to the special Prismatic software, you can use Lightpack with various applications, videos, and games. You can select the screen capture mode, the static mode, or a dynamic lighting mode. The software has an open network API which allows you to control the device using your iOS or Android smartphone and to write your own plugins for Lightpack. For example, using Lightpack Illumination, you can create new message notifications or be notified that a friend has popped up on Skype. Using the API, you can visualize any data, for instance, CPU temperature, the amount of unread messages in your Gmail inbox, or even the time remaining until the next spell respawn in World of Warcraft. I'd like to emphasize the fact that Lightpack is an open source product in the direct meaning of the term. The original software and firmware source code, the electric circuit of the device, the bill of materials for it, and the PCB layout are free to be downloaded by everyone. Moreover, we support a special DIY revision of Lightpack which can be assembled at home by any technology geek. Together with my team, which is distributed geographically around the world, I've been working on the Lightpack product for a couple of years. We've managed to assemble a ton of prototypes and add lots of new features to the device. Tech geeks around the world have already assembled several thousand devices using our manuals. Lightpack currently has dozens of clones. Today, we're publishing our project on Kickstarter because we need help from all interested people in order to implement the next step. The thing is, we want to make Lightpack as simple and as cheap as possible for our retail customers. In order to achieve that, we need to launch mass production of the product. We have everything ready to go, and all that's left to do is push the big Chinese button in order to get started. But in order to be able to reduce the price of a single device to less than $90, we need to produce at least 5,000 devices in the pilot batch. So people who participate in the Kickstarter campaign will get the chance to be the first ones to get their Lightpack device and to get it for a much lower price, as low as $50. In general, the basic Kickstarter philosophy for Lightpack sounds very simple. Make it cheap or die trying. Thanks for your attention, and I recommend that you watch our cool and interesting infographics which explain how much the manufacturing of Lightpack costs and why. For now, this demo will tell you more than my babbling can. Good luck!